This video is for Noah, asking about how I engage two-step while rolling in this automatic 03 Mustang. First step is to keep it on the gear. Could be first, could be second, third, as long as you're able to roll and hold it at 4 grand. Once you're near 4 grand, press on the brake and hold it just enough to turn on the brake switch, like so, then full throttle. Try it again. Alright, near 4 grand, turn on the brake lights, and full throttle. Let go. One more time, 4 grand. Turn on the brake lights, full throttle, then let go of the brake. Second gear. Same thing, 4 grand, brake lights, full throttle, then let go.